reviews.
Oh, do I have the perfect mask for you? Hi, my name is Reina Hidalgo. I'm a dancer, choreographer, consulting producer, and I'm here with Desire Company. I'm obsessed with this product. So their company is very cruelty-free, organic, and I usually do the mask after a show day. You can smell the flowerness and the pure products in it, and literally you just put it all over your face and you let it dry. And when it dries up like a clay, so you can't even move your mouth or your face. And then you wash it off, and then you feel your skin so refreshing and so clean. And I love using this after a show day. Like with all the makeup, I wash it off. I sit, let it dry, wash it off, and then go on my day to the bus. And I recommend this to anybody as well who has like oily skin, or if you wear a lot of makeup because of your job. Totally recommend doing a mask after washing your face. Masking is like a good spa time, good relaxing time. So I've been using this product, this mask, this clay mask, for about 2 years now. So I've always been shopping around with different masks until I found one that works for me, and I recommend that to anyone. I just love the ingredients in it. It tries to have a lot of organic products like the flower tone, the tonic, zinc, oxidized, natural organic products that will help like purify your face, cleanse it, pull out all the dirt, excess makeup that you probably still have after you wash your face. And you only need to put it on and leave it on for like 15-20 minutes. That's it. That's like meditation if you want to use it, or read a book, or for those that like your phone, scroll through Instagram while it dries out.